Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create straight chairs arrangement as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Copy, CO enter, select object, enter, base point 750, enter, exit, repeat copy, select object, base point 1050, enter. Okay, now go block B, enter, block name chair set 1, select object, enter, pick point, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, click first point, second point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, now go parameters, base point, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 point, click here, okay, base point. Now go parameter sets, XY array box set, click, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, first point, second point. Okay, again press shift key and right click, meet between 2 point, click here, okay, now select parameters, go properties, number of grips 1, value set, horizontal type, increment, horizontal increment 1050, enter, vertical type, increment, vertical increment 750, enter. Okay, now delete these chairs, right click array action, new selection set, select chair, enter, select array action, go properties, row offset 750, enter, column offset 1050, enter. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see, select dynamic block, straight, okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.